It is summer and we're back again with my little donut situation on my hair. Today we have a very glowy makeup that is super natural, sheer, with pops of like orange tone kind of colors. Makes you look like sunshine, I feel. So yeah, it's very much a you but better kind of look, so stick around if you want to see it. Let's just get right into it. Nails. I did the Hailey Bieber nail. Is it Hailey or Hailey Bieber? I think it's Hailey Bieber. It's like a silver crumb powder on top of my nude nails. It is summer, so sunscreen is a necessity. Give it a good shake. Somebody told me that this sunscreen is filling on them. Remember, this formula sets. So once it starts drying, just start patting. So obviously always put sunscreen on your body as well, especially during the summer days. So I love something more lightweight. This blurring skin tint I really enjoy because it's not really a tinted moisturizer, but I love the blurring effect it has, especially because I have oily skin, which usually translates to big pores. My shade on this is number 6. I feel like it's a really good match. Summer for me is probably all year round, so I tend to go lighter on the makeup. This is really great for evening out the skin tone. It's not going to cover your imperfections. It is a skin tint. It is not a foundation. What I'm going to do personally is I'm going to grab the NARS Soft Matte. You've seen me use all the time, and I'm just going to cover those up. I'm going to add concealer now. Nothing special. Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS. So I'm going to use the bronzer from Rose Inc. Someone told me that they thought that this looked better on me than the NARS one. So I'm going to give it another go because it is a really great formula, but I just hate looking that yellow. Of course, what is a summer look if you're not bronzed up? I mean, I think if I don't add much, it looks good. It is quite yellow based, but I am going for a lazy hot girl summer makeup. I think hot girl summer makeup is probably more of the Instagram baddie makeup. I'm gonna try the technique of bronzing up the lips. I think I've tried this trick before and absolutely hated it. I'm just gonna go with the flow. I'm gonna add some of that under my eye, gonna elongate it out. So yeah, I think that the color, it's not bad, it's just a lot more yellow and golden that I would prefer. Like, I don't bronze this color. Maybe that's what throws me off. I don't bronze this color at all. Like, there's no red undertones on this particular shade. At least they don't show up on my skin. If there's any red undertones here, they don't really show up. It will grow on me. It looks good with blush. So let's move on to setting my face. I have been using the Benefit brow products for a bit now. My favorite lip liner, Iconic Nude, Charlotte Tilbury. And for lips, I am gonna pull up an unusual for me. I have Tiger by Merit. I usually go for Slip, which is like a nude brown, but this one has a little bit of some brown in it, but it's also quite red. And I think this is good for summer. So I think it's a really good shade for a pop of color, a pop of orange, I guess, but keeping it neutral and keeping it subtle. So yeah, this is Tiger by Merit. Okay, now let's go into blush. I mean, doesn't that look like the perfect summer shade? So it's like a very light peachy shade, which I think is gonna look great with the bronzer and also with the shade of lip. So let's see. I'm gonna bring it up. So yeah, I think that looks really good with the makeup. Alright, so for eyes, of course I already have a little bit of the bronzer on to define some warmth. I'm going to use this Scattered Light by Hourglass. I think it's supposed to be like a taupey color, but it's neutral enough to blend in with the warmth we have right now. And if you don't apply like too much, it can look pretty subtle. Like, you can really pack this on if you apply a lot. It can start to look metallic. Can you see that? So yeah, you can definitely just keep blending it and spreading it out so it looks more natural. That just gives me like a little pop of something. So I'm also gonna add just a little bit of liner. This one's from Forever 21. This one's from Makeup Forever. not from Forever 21. And I'm just gonna use it to just define the lash just a little bit and just kind of wing it. I just want this to look subtle. I always curl my lashes before I do mascara. I'm using my Ilia mascara. It's the one I've been using since I got it. It's already time to replace it. I need to try a new one. So if you guys have any mascaras that you want me to review or any mascaras that you want me to try, let me know, because I would definitely be restocking on a new mascara soon. You know when the mascara starts smelling weird that you gotta throw it away. I don't even know why I'm putting it on anymore, but I just want to squeeze every single drop of product. So this is it. I feel like I don't need highlighter, but if I were to get a highlighter for the summer, it would probably be this Merit one called the Citrine. If you're looking for that super natural highlighter that doesn't have chunky glitter and that it looks like a lit from within dewy finish, Merit's highlighters are that. I'm gonna pop it in the inner corner. So yeah, this is the summer look that I'm doing for today. Love the orange kind of tones throughout the whole look. Sheer as well, like it doesn't look like I'm wearing a lot of heavy makeup. So I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.